All right, gang, I want to give you a little bit of feedback today on the 1,000-watt sous vide cooker by Sous Vide Art. Oh man, I'm just going to tell you right away, I had to look up how to pronounce it. Now look, I'm not a cook. I'm not much of a chef of any sort. All the steaks I've ever done have been outside on the grill, and so trying something like this, a sous vide, was just completely different for me, but I absolutely enjoyed it. It was pretty straightforward. Everything I needed was inside of the box, from the actual immersion cooker to the vacuum seal bags to a little vacuum pump, and included with it were clips to keep all the bags clipped on the outside of my container. All I had to do was look up in the included little cookbook recommended temperatures for what I was doing. I was doing a nice cut of steak and the time that I needed to do that, and then I just punched the buttons, followed the directions, punched it into the top of the sous vide cooker, clip it on the side, and let it do its thing. I could not have been happier either with the results. Man, that was a great steak. That was my first time ever having a sous vide steak. Highly recommend it. Overall, again, I'm not a chef. It's the first time doing this. Look, if you're trying, if you want to try a simple, easy to use sous vide immersion cooker, man, I think this is the way to go. Grab it, check it out today.